Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 8. And I am here to show you how to do question number 7 on our quiz access. And so we have closing entries to close out a merchandiser. So I think it's actually easier with a merchandiser. So first thing we're going to do is close out the credit balances and temporary accounts. And it's got it listed out here. The only credit balance we have is our sales account. So what we're going to do is debit the sales to clear it out. And then the opposite of that would be the income summary. And that's it for number 1. Number 2 is all the debit balances. So we have all of our debits here. We're not going to do dividends because that's later. So we're doing all of these instead. So first we'll do, it's just the opposite of credit. So we have to get rid of our debits, we have to credit them. So our debit in this case would be income summary. And the total, I did it in Excel just to save time. For me, it's 502,100. But what you do is you would total up all of these amounts. And then go through each one. So sales, return. Just going down the list. And admin. There. Okay, so we have income summary as the total of all of our what were debits, and now they're credits to zero it out. Next, we close out the income summary account. So what I did is all of these totaled 502,100. This is 577. This is the larger, so I'm going to take 577 out my credit and minus all of these debits, and it comes out to 74,900. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to debit the income summary for 74,900. And then I will take and credit the retained earnings. I'm sorry, can't talk today. Because we close the income summary out always to retained earnings. Next, we'll do the dividends, same thing. We're going to debit retained earnings because using the dealer shortcut, we know which way we need to go. And then dividends, to close it out, we need to credit it. 25, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'll check my work. Yay! Hope that helps.